welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a few products that, well, actually from a company that I love. They came out with some new products. If you follow their Instagram, which is LA Colors, you guys know by now. Like, let me know in the comments below what other brands you want me to talk about besides LA Colors, because I feel like I talk about it a lot on this channel. I'm going to do a separate video of me why I talk about it so much. But today I'm going to be talking about their newest palette that they came out with. They have two other palettes. They have this one. This one is in Frisky. Frisky is one of their palettes, and I saw the other two, which I'll have all of the pictures right here. I saw the other two and I was like, maybe if I test out Frisky first and then see what Frisky is about and then see if I like it or not, then I may get the other two. So let's look at the palette itself. The palette itself has this nice pretty package, and it's like a plastic feel, but it's great. And I like the fact that the back has, you know, details about the palette, and then the front is very nice. You get to see what you're getting when you close the palette. You get to actually see what's inside. That's a type of eyeshadow palette I like to have. I like to see what I'm getting before getting the palette, and then not seeing what I'm getting and then be like, why? You know, that's the type of vibe that I want from the palette. Like, as soon as I get the palette, LA Colors is really very good about doing that as well. I never seen any other palettes with a closed appearance and not being able to not knowing what you're getting. I've always seen their eyeshadow palettes being able to see what they're getting, and that's good. So this palette here is more of your shimmers, and this one has a mirror as well. As you can see, they have at least two matte shades in the palette, and the rest is shimmer. The matte shade that really stood out the most is the transition color, and this is the transition color right here. And then here's the other matte shade, which is a pretty under the brow bone highlight, which is a great way of having, instead of it being too light for certain skin tones, you have that neutral to peachy vibe type, and then you can be able to work with it on the lid or on the brow bone. Now, the only downer about the palette is what I'm looking at is that no matter how bright, colorful, how rose gold a palette could be, it needs a black, a matte black, and they do not. So that means I'm gonna have to go to another palette, get a palette, use it, and then boom. So, I mean, that's kind of downer I have about this palette. But other than that, these are the shades. Let's count the shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 shades, and the 10 shades are boom boom boom. In the demo, I am really going in detail and I can simply tell you the eyeshadows that I am wearing right now is this pretty peach one, this pretty rose gold. It's like a very pigment vibe, and this one right here as my highlight shade. And then I have this one, like when I mean highlight, like highlighting my face. And then I have this matte vanilla shade, which is right here. And I paid at least, I believe I paid $2 or $4, but I will list the product price from the website. I have everything listed below in the description about the product. So I love the fact that it has this gold text. Do you guys see the text? The font is gold, like, and it says it's ombre palette. So when looking at it on the back, it has like ombre themed. That's what it says, ombre eyeshadow, ombre, you know, that's, or maybe that's, okay, scratch it out. Okay, but this one lasts for 36 months. And you can get it on the website and also get it in your local Family Dollar. And I love the fact that it's black because it doesn't get dirty quickly. Okay. But anyways, if you guys are curious about the demo, then let's get started. Alright, so we're going to test out this pretty gorgeous matte brown. And this, when I say this is a matte brown, it is matte. And I want to see how this does. Like, some matte browns be like doing the most, and they don't even be pigmented. Oh! Wait a minute. So when I applied the matte brown to the lid, it did appear on the lid, as you guys can see. And I did not have to have any, I did not have to be too harsh with the brush. This is just with one swipe. Alright, so with the shimmer shades, they are very, very pigment, and I love how well they pack on, and it's just amazing. I really love the swatches of the palette itself. Now, I did see some fallout from the palette, especially a lot of kick up. As you guys can see with the eyeshadows, the kick up is still there. That means if you put the press the shadow in or swipe, do whatever, there's still a little bit of kick ups and everything else in place in the palette, and not like it, once you swatch a shadow it just stays as it is. But no, there's some kick up going on. But I love the fact that the shimmer shades are not really a misleading shades, because you have shimmer shades that looks very, very pigmented, and then when you test it out, it doesn't look pigmented. Okay, so that's what I mean by that. But I say yes ma'am to the palette. I'm gonna go get the other two palettes, test it out myself. I was very skeptical, that's why I don't have all three. There are 3 of them, so I would make sure you go to their website. This video is a sponsor. I just love this brand so much. And I gotta go, and I hope you guys thumbs up this video, share it, like it, let people know about, let LA Colors know about this video, okay? And I gotta go, and I'll see you soon.